Music legend Paul McCartney experienced what many describe as love at first sight when he met his first wife, Linda McCartney. Their instant connection isn't just a romantic notion, it's something that astrologers believe was written in the stars. According to an expert in the field, the pair shared a rare kind of cosmic compatibility that's often seen in couples who stay together for a lifetime. Paul, a former Beatle, and Linda, an accomplished photographer, were married from 1969 until her passing in 1998. Together, they raised 3 children and built a strong, loving bond that endured for nearly 3 decades. Their first meeting took place at London's iconic Bag O' Nails Club, where Paul was celebrating the completion of Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band with friends. That night, Georgie Fame and the Blue Flames were playing when Linda walked in with members of the Animals. She was in London working on a photography book titled Rock and Other Four-Letter Words. Paul, seated at his own table, noticed her almost immediately and was taken by her smile. When she passed by, he made a bold move, standing in her path, introducing himself, and inviting her to continue the evening elsewhere. They moved on to the Speakeasy, another popular club, where the two heard Procol Harum's A Whiter Shade of Pale for the very first time. That spontaneous night sparked the beginning of a connection that would slowly grow over time. Though they saw each other at various events following their initial meeting, including the press launch for Sgt. Pepper, they initially went their separate ways. Paul was still romantically involved with actress Jane Asher, and Linda had to return to her home in New York. But when Paul and Asher eventually parted, he and Linda reconnected, and their relationship deepened. In 1969, around the time the Beatles were unraveling, Paul and Linda tied the knot at the Marylebone Register office. Their union marked a turning point in McCartney's life. As the chaos of the band's breakup unfolded, he and Linda chose to leave London behind and settle into a quieter life at his secluded Scottish retreat, High Park Farm. Paul would later reflect on those early days of their marriage as a kind of escape from time itself. He spoke of how they built a world of their own, where even a single night apart was nearly unheard of. The only time they were ever separated was due to an unavoidable circumstance. Otherwise, they were inseparable. When asked why they never spent time apart, their answer was always simple. Why would they? Astrologer Carmen Turner-Schott believes their unshakable bond had a cosmic explanation. According to her, the alignment of their birth charts revealed a rare form of astrological harmony. This kind of alignment, she noted, is typically seen in couples whose relationships stand the test of time. Looking back, it seems Paul and Linda McCartney's love story was not only poetic, but perhaps destined from the moment their stars aligned.